So I have to take a package to the post office today. I'm going to be taking my bike, and I just wanted to show you how quick it is with this Topeak MTX trunk bag that I have. And the really nice thing about it, it's got these side pockets here that you can use as a pocket, but you can also zip down the side of the pocket, and then there's a pannier in there, and you just hook it around the bottom of your rack there and open that up. I can drop my package in there and zip it up, and that's good to go. After I drop this off at the post office, I just unclip it at the bottom there and then fold it back up, run the zippers up, and that's all put away. So I mean, it takes probably 30 seconds to get that out, and when you're done, it's a regular pocket. What I actually do is I keep this pocket empty most of the time. If I go on a long ride or something, I'll put like my camera and a wallet, things like that in here that I take out after the ride. So this pocket's always empty. The pocket on the other side over there, that's where I keep some of my regular stuff, like my microphone for the camera. I keep my little geocaching toolkit bag in there, and anything that's going to stay in there I kind of keep in that pocket so that I don't have to worry about moving things from here over to there or whatever. So this one's always available to use to haul things, and you know, if I need to, I can do the same thing on the other side. And then the other thing this bag has, it's actually got two zippers here. So this is the main storage compartment here. It's got a pocket here, but the other thing you can do here is there's a second zipper, and if you do that, it actually expands here, and you now have more room in the main part of the bag here. So that's kind of neat. You get a expandable bag if you need to haul something a little bit bigger there. And then you've also got the top pocket, so that's a good place for the phone. And I have the phone paired to the e-bike so that the e-bike won't turn on unless the phone is here. It's kind of neat, as long as the phone's within Bluetooth range, so that the motor on the e-bike will turn on and actually do something. And if your phone isn't here, the e-bike, you can pedal it, but there's no pedal assist. So I'll just show you that here. If we go over here, I don't have my phone around, and if I try to turn that on, it'll go through the motions. You can see it's flashing. It's not going to work until my phone is present. So I'll just normally slide the phone in there, and as long as the phone is on, it'll pair up with the bike and unlock it. And that way, it's kind of neat too. If you ride off and forget your phone, once you get out of Bluetooth range, the bike is going to stop. And then you'll, oh, I gotta go get my phone. So yeah, that works pretty good. So just thought I'd show you that deployment of this built-in pannier. You know, it's not like probably suitable for a week-long bike packing trip, but that would hold a fair amount of stuff if you're just going overnight. Really liking this bag. Really nice bag, and then you can just remove it with that single latch there. This is what's called the MTX 2.0 latch. There's also the older original latch that Topeak had, was called just MTX, and that required that this latch here and the front of the bag slid up so it could hook under this front part of the rack, which meant the bag was that much farther forward, like 3 fingers farther forward. That's why I like this MTX2, because now you've got room for your saddlebag and your seat post to go up and down here with a dropper seat post. Your saddlebag can go up and down and not hit your trunk bag. That was the problem I had with my old bike, was the rack bag that I had came up to here. When you dropped the dropper post, the saddlebag would kind of crunch the top of the trunk bag. But I just like that clearance there. So you can run the seat post up and down, you can have a saddlebag, you can have a trunk bag. So the way I basically run this is I keep all the bike stuff here, tools and spare tube and tire levers and just stuff like that, patch kit, things that you might need with the bike. And then in this bag I keep what do I need for the particular ride I'm going on. So that way this stays with the bike all the time. Even if I don't take this, this is still here and I've got all my parts and tools. That's all bike stuff. This is all ride specific stuff. So extra water, food, clothing. Yeah, really liking this bag. So I give it a big thumbs up. So as always, thanks for watching.